What an announcement. McKay Industries invests 100 million into El Presidente's vision.
So we hit McKay. He's the money behind Castillo.
No. First we kill Castillo, then McKay won't matter.
Yeah, what the fuck do we care about a Yankee in a suit?
He's the money. No money, no tanks, no bullets, no soldiers.
I got it. Yelena, Honron, Lorenzo, me, and all of La Moral will go after Castillo. Danny, you kill McKay.
That doesn't make sense.
So, I was getting tired of talking. Rewind! Elias!
Batter up!
Blades, incoming!
Cojones!
Hijos de puta! This one's out!
I need everyone here! Fall back to the main building, top floor!
Got it!
Danny, they're coming from the courtyard! Fall back to my position, the ops room! The main building is apart!
¡Ya voy!
Bullets flying across the pool! Get to the courtyard quick!
On it, El Tigre!
Elias, fall back to my position, top floor, main building!
On my way!
Those motherfuckers are rushing the courtyard!
I hear you! Take them out!
I need everyone here! Fall back to the main building, top floor!
Got it! Ah!
There's a helicopter flying in!
Of course there is! ¡Con muerte!
Chopper inbound!
¡Got it, El Tigre! Ah! Fuck yeah! That's all you've got, Castillo?
Elena, what's wrong?
That was Gilberto. The attack, it wasn't to take the fort. It was to keep us inside.
El Tigre!
We need to move! Run, Danny! There's fucking poison everywhere! I can't see shit!
Get the fuck out of there!
Danny,
¡Horror! ¡Horror! ¡Venga! many did we lose? Where's Horon?
Danny, just get to Patrio to speak.
Bad time for an I told you so.
I came to say goodbye to an old friend. Back in '67, we didn't mourn our dead. Death was glorious. We were stupid. Castillo and McKay crossed the line today. More will die and nobody is safe. Not an old legend. Or a new one. Or the leader of El Este. Or the fist of the revolution. We have to stop Castillo and that Yankee. We? You kids look like you could use a little luck.